In this video, we will guide you to understand the step-by-step how to configure site setting page in FlyWP. Once you're in, click on the Site tab at the top left side of your dashboard. You will be whisked away to a beautiful list of all your websites. Select the site you would like to update from the list provided, and go to the Site Settings page. In the General section, you can easily update your domain name. You can enable maintenance mode whenever needed to temporarily take your site offline for updates or adjustments, or duplicate your website for staging and testing without impacting your live site. But a heads up, if you decide to delete your site here, all its data will be permanently lost, so double check before hitting that button. Then PHP Settings. First up is the PHP version. This option allows you to select the PHP version for your site. Newer versions usually provide better performance and security. It's always a good idea to use the latest stable version, but don't forget to check if your plugins and themes are compatible first. Next, we have the PHP memory limit. This setting controls how much memory a PHP script can use. For most WordPress sites, 256 megabytes is usually enough, but if you are running complex plugins or themes, you might need more. Keep this in mind when adjusting this setting. Let's talk about the PHP OPCache feature. This nifty option stores compiled PHP files in memory, so they don't have to be recompiled every time someone visits your site. Pretty cool, right? Just note, if you make changes to your PHP files, they won't show up immediately unless you clear the cache, so enable this option for better performance. The JIT compiler boosts your PHP site's performance by converting PHP code into machine code while the site runs. This means faster execution and a smoother experience for your users. So, enable it. Lastly, the file upload size setting. This controls the maximum size of files you can upload through WordPress. If you are dealing with large media files, you might want to adjust this to fit your needs. For everyday use, though, the default size should work just fine, so do it accordingly. And that's it. These are the key PHP settings in FlyWP that can help optimize your WordPress site's performance. Make sure to tweak them based on your site's needs for the best experience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update.